Welcome back to NextGear Auto. Today we're checking out one of the most unique custom vehicles ever created, the Volkswagen Beetle pickup truck. Imagine combining the legendary classic Beetle design with the practicality of a pickup truck. Sounds crazy, right? But this custom build is turning heads everywhere car lovers gather. The Volkswagen Beetle is already one of the most iconic cars in automotive history. First introduced by Volkswagen, the Beetle became famous for its rounded shape, compact body, and timeless personality. But transforming it into a pickup truck gives this classic car a completely different vibe. At first glance, the front section still looks like the traditional Beetle everyone knows and loves. You get those classic circular headlights, curved hood, and vintage styling that instantly brings nostalgia. But once you move toward the rear, things become seriously interesting. Instead of the normal Beetle back seat and trunk area, this build features a custom truck bed. The design creates a perfect mix between retro style and utility. The lowered suspension gives the Beetle pickup an aggressive street truck appearance. Wide wheels and custom tires make it look even more powerful. Some builds feature chrome bumpers and polished rims, while others go for a matte black performance style. No matter the version, this vehicle always stands out from the crowd. Under the hood, many Beetle pickups still use the classic air-cooled engine setup that made old Beetles famous around the world. These engines may not produce massive horsepower, but they deliver a unique driving experience with that legendary vintage sound. Some modified versions even swap in modern turbocharged engines for extra speed and performance. Inside the cabin, the Beetle pickup keeps its old-school charm alive. Simple gauges, classic steering wheels, and retro dashboard styling remind drivers of the golden age of automobiles. Some owners modernize the interior with touchscreen displays, leather seats, and upgraded sound systems while still preserving the vintage atmosphere. One of the coolest things about the Volkswagen Beetle pickup truck is how rare it is. You won't find these vehicles parked everywhere. Most of them are custom-built projects created by passionate car enthusiasts. That makes every single build unique with its own personality and design details. This custom Beetle truck is not just about looks. The small truck bed can actually carry lightweight cargo, making it surprisingly practical for daily use. Whether it's carrying tools, luggage, or show equipment, this tiny truck proves that classic cars can still be functional. Car shows absolutely love vehicles like this. Whenever a Beetle pickup arrives, people instantly pull out their phones to record videos and take photos. The unusual combination of classic Beetle styling and pickup truck utility creates something unforgettable. Another reason enthusiasts love this build is its creativity. It represents automotive freedom, taking a legendary car and transforming it into something nobody expects. That's the beauty of car culture. Builders can turn imagination into reality. Compared to modern pickup trucks, the Volkswagen Beetle pickup is obviously much smaller, but that compact size gives it charm. It's easy to drive, easy to park, and impossible to ignore. In a world full of oversized vehicles, this tiny custom truck feels refreshing and fun. The custom paint jobs on these builds are also incredible. Some owners choose bright vintage colors like sky blue, cream white, or candy red. Others go for racing themes with stripes, decals, and performance-inspired designs. Every version has its own style. The sound of the engine, the retro body shape, and the pickup conversion all combine to create a vehicle that feels both classic and modern at the same time. It's a perfect example of how old cars can continue evolving through creativity and passion. Would you drive a Volkswagen Beetle pickup truck? Or would you keep the classic Beetle design untouched? Let us know in the comments below because this custom build definitely divides opinions among car enthusiasts. Thanks for watching NextGear Auto. If you love rare custom cars, classic builds, and powerful automotive content, make sure to subscribe, like the video, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next ride.